What's up, my little buttercups, and welcome to J-Max Amateur Kitchen. Today, we are making cauliflower pizza crust. We gonna be so healthy with our cauliflower pizza crust, although it's got a lot of cheese in it. So. Camera girl couldn't make it today, so we got Cam J on the camera. Say what up? What's up? Thank you for that. Let's get this started. All right. So we've got a head of cauliflower, and we're just gonna start peeling off these leaves. And then we're gonna start breaking off these florets. Oh, too bad camera girl wasn't here to see this. Ah!
Babe, I got you this plant. It's so cute. Yep. So we're gonna make this video or what?
Oh, hey! I didn't know you were coming. Oh, I guess we could have two camera people. Nope, get out. Okay. Let's continue with the real camera girl. You ready?
Yep.
Yes. Food processor angle. You're gonna take your florets and you're just gonna throw them in there. You could also grate these. All right, when you're done, that should resemble rice. Gonna dump that in a bowl. Pan view. This next step is very important. We're gonna measure out 2 cups of our cauliflower rice. 1, 2. And we're just gonna cook that on low heat to dry it out a little bit. We're not looking to brown. It's gonna need about 10 minutes. While that's cooking, let's make our sauce.
You know, only your eye was in that.
All right, we're gonna need a little sauce pot here. Let me see if I have one. Aha! Got it. Let's make a quick pizza sauce. All right, so we're just gonna do 1 can of tomato sauce. We're gonna do a heaping tablespoon of tomato paste, teaspoon of thyme, teaspoon of basil, teaspoon of salt, do about a tablespoon of olive oil. And last, we got 2 cloves of minced up garlic. Give that a stir, and let that just kind of cook and simmer itself for about 20 minutes or so.
What you got there?
Got a little bug. Save him. Don't bite me, little f***. There you go. You're free. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees. All right, we got our dried out cauliflower cooked for about 10 minutes, and we just let it sit for a couple of minutes just to cool down. And now I said,
Don't brown it.
Yeah, well, someone forgot about it.
Was it you?
Yeah, it was. And so now it's a little brown, but do as I say, not as I do. All right.
Oh.
Yes.
Whoa.
Aha. All right, so let's just dump this into a bowl. To that, we're gonna add 1 egg without the shell.
God.
1 cup of Parmesan cheese, 1 teaspoon of basil. Boop. All right, and let's just mix that together. I kind of put that in the bowl. Boop. Boop. Let's pan it. Get yourself a baking sheet. Parchment paper, that's key. All right, so we're gonna take our dough ball, split it on there. All right, and then we're just gonna start pressing this out. And we want that just to be about 1/4 of an inch thick. And then we're just gonna bring these edges up a little bit just so the ends don't burn. All right, we got our pizza crust ready to go. Throw that in our 400-degree oven. And we are gonna let that cook for about 20 minutes. Boom! Check that out. All right, this only took about 15 minutes to cook, so make sure you're checking it, all right? So it's 15 to 20 minutes. Correction. Look at that. Doesn't even, Look at that. Doesn't fall apart at all. Look at it.
Okay,
Look at it.
okay.
Look at it.
Let's
Look
put
at
it down.
Pizza throwing contest. Jesus, it's still hot. Let's top this pizza off. First, we're gonna take some of our homemade pizza sauce. And we're just gonna write that on there, huh? Just gonna kind of fart that on there. All right, our sauce, and you guys can put whatever you want, but we're gonna throw some turkey sausage that we made on there, huh? And on top of that, we're just gonna do some mozzarella cheese. Just gonna sprinkle some red crushed peppers on there. And we're just gonna finish that off with some baby spinach for health. We got our pizza into the oven, same 400 degrees. We're gonna let that cook for about 10 more minutes. But you know, like, keep an eye on it, guys. God, oh.
I feel like you want us to keep an eye on it.
Keep an eye. Boom. 10 minutes was perfect. Let's transfer that over to our cutting board. All right, let's just let that sit for about a minute or two to let it cool down. Alrighty, let's cut this guy up. And that's our cauliflower crusted pizza. Look at that, doesn't fall apart at all. Look, no fallsy party. And amazing. Cauliflower crusted pizza.
What are you doing?
Aerobics. Gotta get fit. Thank you. Cauliflower crusted pizza.
Why?
This is how we get ants. Cauliflower! Hey, I thought you left. Oh yeah, dude, I did, but I came back because I forgot my plant. There it is. All right, well, you might as well finish it off. All right. Cauliflower crusted pizza. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed this, smash that like button. If you guys want to see more, subscribe to the channel and hit the little notification bell. Comment below. Tell me how your day is going. Tell me a joke. Tell me what kind of pizza is your favorite.
Thank you guys for watching.
Thank you guys.